Hello, I'm like Jeffy. Chris, another me. At my dad's work. Anyway, this is my dad's work. Hello, Dad. Say hello to the camera. This one is what my dad is working on. It's a pretty nice car. Let me show you the underside. Shh, don't tell no one. Alright, so not sure if you can see, but like it's like really dark under here, so do the best I can. There's like a whole bunch of complicated machinery. And my dad accidentally went and broke that. So not safe. So I'm like trying to do this as best as I can. Like right there. I'm not sure if you can see me pointing. Might be pointing at the incorrect thing, but there's a bar. Slouch it. It's supposed to be straight. Eek. That's a good thing. Anyway. Well, I have been working with my dad, as you can tell. I have my belly. I have grease all over me. My aunt's probably gonna kill me. Eek. I have to sort that out with her. Anyway. That's basically what my dad's working on. I turned into a grease person today. So let's see what they're doing, shall we? If you're planning on being a mechanic, watch this. My dad is the best. Here's my dad. Peekaboo, they see you. They see you too. Over there, as you can see, like right there, behind me, he is one of the drivers. I'm not sure which truck. I barely met people today. They're really funny. And this truck behind me is being worked on by one of the other employees here. His name is Nick. You can see there's one of the steps missing. And so this came off of like one of the steps. Bad car crash. Eek. And check it out. You think that's all that would happen, and that is all that broke. But then there's this piece. It's missing its hood. So you can tell, you can see. I'm not sure if you can hear me, so oh well. But this is good. I mean, like, I don't know what all the pieces and stuff are. So like, it's all thrashed. Eek! Bolts and stuff. It's basically the cars and trucks. All the employees. That's the boss with the eagle sweatshirt. That is the boss. I zoomed in. So like the boss, also like the boss is right there. So this is pretty much my dad's work. It's actually, and the funny thing is that this truck is named AK-47. Sound familiar? AK-47. That don't sound very safe. AK-47. Why is this truck named after a gun? This doesn't sound safe. It's got a pit bull on top. This truck is pretty well made. I am actually enjoying this. It's actually getting evening time outside, and it's probably not even past 5. I don't know yet, but you guys can check your clocks from when this was posted, and then you shall know. But this is basically the outside. They have a lot of stuff they have to work on. As you can tell, I'm walking outside. Bye-bye, Bashwa. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Anyway, I don't really travel far and wide that often. I just come outside to do stuff. And there's just like a whole bunch of that. You can pause if you want to read more of that. But like, if you know anybody that has a big truck that needs to be worked on, you can come to Bashwa. Here, I'll come show you this one. That might be easier for you to tell, as I am not a brilliant speaker, because I don't make that many YouTube shit. Pretty sunset. See if I can get it. Where is it? Damn it. Let's see. There it is. Isn't it beautiful? I don't even know how I'm getting that. I don't even see that. So, you guys are lucky. Well, anyway. My little Zelda loving beings and friends. I'll call you guys my little zills. Something. Give me an idea on what to call you guys. Like, I know Bros is taken by PewDiePie, but something I can call you. Because I don't really want to copy them. It kind of wouldn't be that fair, but this is the place I'm at that my dad works at. Bashwa Trucks and Trailer Repair. Engines, clutches, brakes, oil changes, tires. And the address is 7529 Reed Road, Sacramento, California, 95828. The number is 916-688-7900. Well, this is my dad's work. Bashwa. Not sure if you got it before, so I'm going to leave there for a few minutes. I'll probably end my episode of about my dad's work. I am like completely filthy. Say hello to the little light. Little light. How you doing? That's good. So. Well, alright. See you guys later. So, like I said, leave some comments if you want to know what you want me to do, and I will try and do it for you. So, this will be going on my Facebook and YouTube. So, all my family and friends, if you want to follow me on my adventure through high school and all of that wonderful shizelato. Yes, I speak my own language. Don't judge me, please. So, yeah. Freshman, 9th grade. Whitney High School. Going horrible time right now. So, peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for watching. So, bye, peeps. Peace out. Enjoy Thanksgiving break.